There's Lonnie Bird. He's having a decent day. It's beautiful out, so he gets to listen to all the other birds with the doors open. It's been a while since we've posted. A while back I posted about little Nani, that she was sick and wasn't feeling good. She was sick 30 days. And on February 27th, she just, I guess she couldn't fight no more. So we lost Nani Bird on February 27th. Lonnie seems to be doing okay. He now thinks he's king of the roost, which he is. He's coming out of his cage more though, so that's a great thing. I think the good weather's helping. I'll post a video of just Nani here in a couple days. Thanks, everybody.